Okay, let's get this stuff measured here. 4'6". We're gonna go easy first. So 4'6". Let's go 4 foot. Screw it. Let's just go 5 feet. That way I know plenty to work with. So 5 feet. Cut. And so they're the same length. Running out here. Okay, there we go. One 6-meter dipole. Now I don't remember how I fastened them. Fairly certain I have a ring terminal on one end. So I probably will put that on there right away just to make sure I am good there. But I'm going to have to let this stay out a little bit so it's can straighten out. And no, I don't have a good trick to make that happen. Although I am having the thought now that I might have a challenge trying to keep that where I want it. So more thoughts will have to happen in the head here before I install it. But now let's cut a 8-foot chunk. Yes, there's probably better ways. But at this point, one minute. Okay, that all spooled out. Now we just got to measure it. And when it's curly, that makes it more fun. As you tell, we're highly scientific here. 5, 6. And I said I need 8'1". So let's do 8'6". So that should be right about here. And that one's too short. So we'll grab this one here. I'm not saying I'm the best wire puller by any means. Wow, is this curly? Okay, there we go. Come over here. Yep, same deal. Look at that, super curly. And then this one that's a lot straighter, I'm going to coil up. And if you don't know this type of coil, you should learn that. Over, under. Help kind of keep the natural curl as it should be, but then it sits a lot nicer. So from here we are going to let this stuff stretch out a little bit, hopefully, over the next couple days. And then I'll probably have to do a little loop and a little bit of paracord or something to keep it stretched out. That way it doesn't curl up on me. Likely what I will do, but Maybe the spacers I printed out from my 3D printer might work as well, and I might not have to worry about that. So a couple thought processes going through my head right now, all of which we'll figure out as we go. I mean, this is what it is. We're amateurs. We're not professionals. So depending upon weather on Monday, I might even be replacing my VHF UHF antenna with a different one. And we'll need a little extra coax and stuff to make that happen properly. And just kind of all around figure out next steps. We'll see what happens here. At the very least, I'll get that one up. And then maybe next spring, I'll need another chunk of longer coax. And then I might get the other VHF, UHF mounted back up there. But we'll figure that out as we go. So for now, that's all we got. And stay tuned to the next video. 7-3.